Learn faster, think less, and do more. The secret to learning faster is to take time off to learn. I use the same principle to train my dog, and it's helped me become a much better writer. In this post, I'll share the 7 steps I've used to improve my learning speed from writing articles to training dogs to building a business. Step 1. Take a break from learning. One of the most effective ways to learn faster is to take breaks from learning. If you're studying in school, skip class. If you're trying to learn new skills, take a break. If you're reading this article right now, take a break. Your brain will remember all of the information you learn when you're not actively studying. It's an interesting concept to try out in your own life. Step 2. Choose a subject that's easy for you to learn. Choosing a subject that's easy for you to learn will help you make progress more quickly. It may seem counterintuitive to choose something that's harder, but the reason why it helps is because you'll be able to practice more. For example, if you're learning a new programming language, it's better to start with something like PHP than something like Ruby on Rails. The former is easier to learn, and you'll have a better chance at making progress. Step 3. Take notes when you study. Taking notes when you study can be a great way to remember information, especially when it's a lot of information. You can use Evernote or Pocket to take notes on your phone. You can use pen and paper, or you can type directly into your computer. Whatever works best for you. Step 4. Practice and re-practice. Practicing and re-practicing something makes it easier to learn. The key is to do a bit every day. If you start small, you can always increase the time you spend practicing later on. When I started writing articles, I started out by writing 1 paragraph each day. Eventually, I was able to write 1 paragraph every other day. Step 5. Set up goals for learning. Setting up goals for learning will help you make progress more quickly. For example, if you want to learn to play guitar, you might set a goal like learn how to play Auld Lang Syne in 6 months. You can also set goals that are a little bit more specific, like play 2 chords in the key of C major at the end of the lesson. Step 6. Use the right tools for learning. Using the right tools will help you make progress more quickly. There's a huge difference between learning with pen and paper and learning with a computer. If you're learning a language, you'll be able to make much more progress if you use a computer. Step 7. Create a study schedule. Creating a study schedule is another great way to make progress more quickly. I use the Pomodoro technique to break up my study time into 25-minute sessions.